Hi you guys, how are you today? I am back with a haul. What else am I back with? A haul, of course. I wanted to show you some things that I've been working on today, and then just not working on, but I guess just like kind of testing out. And then I want to show you a haul. I went to a couple stores. We'll see how many stores I can fit into this video. I don't want to make it too long. And I'll let you know as I go which stores I bought things from. So first off, let's look at the elephant in the room here. Do you see that glitter spillage? It's so funny. I was reaching for something and now it's all over the place. I cleaned up most of it, but I gotta get that little corner right there. I gotta get like my little mini vac, but I don't know, I just thought that was funny. Anyway, okay, let's get started. So let's start with Etsy. So I did a haul on 2 different stores. The first store is called Delux Beads. So that's the store's information. And I got some really cute stuff. First off, they sent candy, which if you send candy, like, you are awesome. So they sent Zots. I love these. Have you ever had these? They're like sour and then they are like kind of fizzy. And then Chupa Chups. And it's so funny how like something can just like take you back to childhood. So when I was growing up, both of my best friends were Mexican. I grew up eating Mexican food and Mexican candy like all the time, every single day. And this just brought me back to that time where we used to go to the meat market with my friend's mom, and we would always beg for Chico sticks and the little peanut butter roses and the tamarind that's in the pack, like that you squeeze out. And we used to eat the spicy lollipops, the ones with mango and the watermelon ones. And we also used to eat the salty plums, like, you know, the shriveled up salty plums. We used to get those, take them home. Sometimes they would have them in chili powder and sometimes they would just be in salt. We would take them home, we would shove them inside of a lemon and then just like lick on them and then lick the lemon. I know that sounds crazy, but those are just like a few of the things that we used to do when we were kids. And like just seeing this lollipop, because they used to have Chupa Chups there, that just totally reminded me of that. So anyway, wanted to share that funny little memory. Okay, so Delux Beads, what did I get? I got these really cute candy beads in like these pastel colors. So they just look like little pieces of candy. And I got these cloud cabochons, which are so cute. Look at their little happy little faces. These heart beads, which they have like that Aurora Borealis kind of coating with the little hearts. And then these stars, which I love these stars. These are so pretty. Let me open these because they're kind of hard to see through the bag. But see how they have like a star inside and it's like plastic with like an AB coating on it? So I got those. Then I got these, which I thought these were so pretty. I love these. And it's nice that they have a hole on them so that you can like, I want to put them on like maybe some tassels or like a dangle charm or something. And I got these heart beads to put with like the letter beads. And I got these pastel beads. They're just round with like the AB coating on them. What size are these? I think these are like 10 millimeter. And these little cuties. So look at these little stars. These would be good to go on dangles, like in between beads, or like hang them as charms off of your dangles. Just put a jump ring on them. I also got these. Let me open these. So these are nice to turn your, let's see if you can see that. These are nice to turn your cabochons into charms. So you can see how it's got like the little hole there. And then you can just use some E6000 and then just put it on the back of this, and now this cloud is a charm. So I restocked on those because I had used mine all up. And then finally from this shop, I got these cute little 6mm cabochons. They're like little glitter cabochons. And I thought these would be pretty to like decorate embellishments with or what have you. So I'll link that store below for you. And then the next store that I went to on Etsy, let me get rid of this, is, oh, let me look on my computer really quick. What is this store called? This is called Sugar Sunrise. It didn't come with a card or else I would show it to you. So for this, I got these cute unicorn cabochons, or like unicorn cakes on cake pedestals. Oh my God, aren't they so cute? They have glitter in them. And these adorable resin rainbows. So 2 of them are glitter, 3 of them are glitter? No, 2 of them, how many are in here? There's 5 of them. And 3 of them are glitter, and then 2 of them are opaque. I got these pretty pearlized starfish. And these gorgeous resin hearts. Oops. Then I got these pretty pearlized, or like kind of like, do they have like an navy? No, they're like more like pearlized ribbon or bow beads. So you can see they have a hole. I think the hole goes down from the top to bottom. Let's see. Yeah. Then I got these cute turtles. These turtle cabochons. Aren't those adorable? And they're glitter. I want to open these up. I'm going to open these up really quick. These are heart cabochons. Kind of hard to see through the bag. So these are just some cute glitter heart cabochons. And these rainbows. These flowers. Aren't those pretty? I think these are called cabbage roses, if I'm not mistaken. These heart cabochons. These adorable gummy bears. Look how cute those are. And I don't know anybody at these stores. I just was searching for something and I ended up finding these 2 stores and just purchased from them. And then I'm gonna open these up. These are so cute. Hold on, let me figure out how to open these. You guys, look at these brass knuckles. It comes with 4, and I just thought it was so cute. This one has glitter. And then it comes with the purple, and this one has glitter too. Oh my gosh, so cute, huh? Oh, do they all have glitter? Am I tripping? No, they all have glitter. Okay. Those are so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Even if it's just to like set them in a bowl, then that's what I'm gonna do because those are adorable. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is just some things I've been playing around with. So I made one of those little heart charms out of the like hair bands, and I thought I like this one because I think I got this one in a big pack at Marshall's, and it's smaller. It's like littler than the coils are smaller. And I thought that was pretty. I love the color of this one. So I made one of those, and I'm gonna make more. I just wanted to try it out to see like what it was like and if I would like it like on a charm or something. And then I wanted to show you what the butterflies ended up looking like from that Amazon haul I did. So you might remember like yesterday or the day before I did an Amazon haul of these butterflies, and I just did it on some scrap paper. So here's the big one, and you can see like it has stitching, so that's nice. And I kind of bent the wings up a little bit. And then here's the medium size and the small one. So what I thought I would do is I would just take them and glue them together. And then of course I'll adjust the wings, and it'll go nice on like an embellishment or something, and it'll be like 3D. Like, what's the right word for that? You guys help me. What's the right word? Why can't I? How come when you go on video, like, you lose all your words? Like, you just can't think anymore. But yeah, that's that. And then I wanted to show you, this also was on a haul like a couple days ago. This is called Impresslets because it does the embossing, and then it also cuts. So I tested this right here. I didn't do the fish or the bubbles because those are going to be obvious, but I wanted to see what this looked like. So I did it on some scrap paper, and I love it, you guys. So look how it turned out. So it cuts out the mermaid tail. So you can see it's done with like scrap paper, but all you would have to do is take your paper trimmer and just like trim the edges off of that. And here's what you can see what it looks like on the back with white. Isn't that so pretty, you guys? I love that. And then it also leaves you with a nice mermaid tail that you can use on something else. Then finally, oh, I wanted to show you how I ended up storing all of those wax seals, because you remember I had like a bunch of them sitting there with like, and every single one of them had a handle, and I was like, I do not need those many handles, and they're just way too bulky. So look what I was able to condense it down to. So this is a sandwich box from the Dollar Tree. So I just unscrewed all the wax seals, put them in here, and then I just put 4 of the handles in there. That way I could, you know, be working with several at a time and not having to take the screws off or whatever. But anyway, I wanted to show you that. That was nice, and they fit in there perfectly, and there's like plenty of room. And then the crafter full of laughter, Angie, was watching my video, and I was talking about how some people, when I was doing the wax seals, how some people had said that the wax sticks that have the wick, like, they give off soot. And I tried it, and sure enough, it's true. They do give off soot. The other thing that I wasn't happy about with that particular, what are they called? The wax sticks or whatever, is you're sitting there waiting for a long time for it to, you know, drip. And in the meantime, like, part of the wax is setting up. And so that's what happened here. Like, part of the wax had set up. And plus I didn't have enough wax because I just got too impatient waiting for it to drip. But you can see all the soot. And so what Angie said was, she's like, just cut up the wax and melt it and pull the wick out. And that's exactly what I did. So I just melted a bunch, like, I took the rest of that and I just melted it and just cut it up. And I was able to pull the wick out of that. But that's what I did there, so that's good. And then I want to show you a few others that I made. Boy, it takes some focus and paying attention when you're doing that, because you can really mess these up. So let me show you the first one I made. So this was the first one. You can see how it like slid around. Isn't that little cat paw so cute? So I did that with like pink and white. This was my second one, which I was like, oh my gosh, I did so good on that. But don't get excited because it's different every time. This was my third one. And I used that gold pen that came in the pack, and I do not like it at all. I do not like what that looks like at all. So I had already ordered something else that's gold. It's like a gold rub-on from Fire Mountain Gems. It should be coming this week sometime, and I'm going to try that instead, because these gold pens, they kind of pool and they don't go evenly like I feel like the rub would. So I'm going to try that rub when it comes in, and we'll see how that works. Here's another one I did. It has glitter on it from my table, because I always have glitter everywhere, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed with glitter. Look, I've got a bunch of it there. I've got it in more of it in a drawer. I'm obsessed. It's always all over the place around here. But here's a moon, which I think is pretty. I would probably rub that gold on here. And then, oh, look at this little, see, like, I didn't put enough wax on this one, but look at this little birdhouse. It's so cute. I don't know if I'm showing this good, but yeah, so that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. I've been having fun playing with all these new little things, and also I'm trying to get everything organized because I have like a lot of hauls going on right now. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will click like, I hope you will subscribe, and I hope you will leave me a comment if you have any questions. And have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.